Good afternoon. Subject code 109, e-practical number 6. Topic है इसका measurement of voltage, current and resistance using digital multimeter. Presented presented by Bhavani Paliwal, GPC Udaipur. Digital multimeter. This is the figure of digital multimeter. What is a multimeter? A multimeter is a device used to measure voltage, resistance and current in electronic and electrical equipment. It is also used to test continuity between 2 points to verify if there is any break in circuit or line. There are two types of multimeter, analog and digital. Analog has a needle style gauge and digital has a LCD display. There are two styles of multimeter. Switch, manually switch between range to get most accurate reading, and other one is auto range. They switch between range automatically for best reading. Both of these styles work in the same. Meter lead, read. Meter read Meter lead is connected to voltage, resistance and or ampere port is considered the positive connection. Probe are the handles used to hold tip on the tested connected tips. There are at the end of the probe and provide a connection point. Black meter lead. It is always connected to the common port is considered to negative connection. Display and dial setting. Display show the measurement value. Meter dial. Turn dial to change function. Turn dial to off position after use. Panel indicator. Show each function and setting range to turn dial to. Probe connection. Specify for each function. Common digital multimeter symbol. AC voltage, DC voltage, hertz. Hertz मतलब होता है frequency. Positive, negative, ohms, diode, audible continuity. Ground, capacitor, microfarad, micro, milli, mega, kilo, overload. These symbols are often found on multimeter and schematic. They are designed to symbol component and reference value. Measuring voltage. Voltage is the unit of a electrical pressure. 1 volt is the potential difference needed to cause 1 ampere of current to pass through 1 ohm of resistance. Voltage is broke up into two sections, AC and DC. AC means alternating current is house voltage 220 volt AC, and current direct current DC is battery voltage, it means 12 volt DC. On switched meter used one value higher than the your expected value. Be very careful to not touch any other electronic component within the equipment and do not touch the tip to each other while connected to anything else. To measure voltage, connect the lead in parallel between the 2 points where the measurement is to be made. The multimeter provides a parallel pathway, so it need to be a high resistance to allow a little current flow through it as possible. Measuring voltage. This is the diagram. We measure the voltage from digital multimeter. This is the battery, resistance R1 and resistance R2. Voltage is always measured in parallel of the circuit. Measuring voltage. This is 9-volt battery, and it should be voltage should be measured without load. Its multimeter show 9.3 volt DC volt without load. Measurement of resistance and continuity. Resistance ohm is the opposition to current. Resistance is measured in ohm. Disconnect power source before testing. Remove component or part from system before testing. Measure measure using lowest value if OL move to next level. Testing for continuity used to test to verify if the circuit, wire or fuse is complete within with no open. Audible continuity allow an alarm if circuit is complete. If there is no audible alarm, resistance of 1 ohm to 1 ohm should be present. Measuring the resistance. This is the diagram. We measure resistance through digital multimeter. This is the battery, resistance and resistance. So we measure resistance value in ohm. Measurement of testing continuity. This is the diagram. We measure the testing continuity with the help of digital multimeter. Measurement of resistance. We measure any value of resistance through digital multimeter. Measuring continuity. We measure a fuse visually is break or not. So then we uh, check the continuity through digital multimeter. Measuring current. The current ampere is always flow in the electric charge through a component or conductor. Current is measured in ampere or disconnect power source before testing. Disconnect completed circuit at the end of circuit. Place multimeter in series with circuit. Reconnect power source at the turn on. Select highest current setting and work your way down. Measurement current. This is the diagram to measure current with the help of digital multimeter. Measuring current. We measure current of this source. Thank you.